I was tired of cleaning for hours and end up with dirt ever. Hello and welcome. In this video I will share my method to clean the house in less than 10 minutes. As I work from home, I'm always in the house. If there's someone in the house gets dirty. I also have a dark floor where you see dirt everywhere, especially with kids, the garden, etc. It's always dirty. As I also have breathing problems, I have to fight against this situation. I have no choice. Sure, there are other solutions, but this one works for me and I find it great, so I'm sharing with you. To clean the house in less than 10 minutes, here is how I do. 1. Keep the house organized and tidy. 2. After breakfast, clean the table, put up the chairs, check nothing is lying on the floor. 3. Dust off very quickly. Swiffer duster and Swiffer duster heavy duty with extender handle. Like a samurai, a katana, a wakizashi, the only goal here is to go as quickly as possible. 4. When I bring my kids to school, the robot vacuum, here it's a Dreamy D9 Max, will vacuum dust all the house, maximum power. 5. When I'm back home with the cordless stick vacuum cleaner, here it's a Cobalt VB100, I'm finishing spots the robot can't reach, like behind the doors. 6. During the day, for example lunch break, I clean the toilets and bathroom. 7. At the end of the day, before picking up the kids, I place the cleaning wipe on the robot and start cleaning the floor. 8. If the cleaning is not perfect or complete, I change the cordless stick vacuum in floor cleaning mode and clean the floor manually. Here is how I manage to clean the house completely in less than 10 minutes. Every step is not mandatory every time. You can choose steps, change steps, spread it on many days, or on the contrary, you can do all full steps every day and change step 6 every day to clean something different every time. One day the toilets, one day the bathroom, one day the kitchen, etc. If everything is not well organized and tidy, if possible, try to put all these things in only one room. You can close the door so the robot does not enter, or put an invisible wall or zone if you have time to play with the application. You can do this room later, even helped by kids, because this room is certainly theirs. All this solution is based on an entry-level vacuum robot with a cleaning wipe close to uselessness. It will wet the floor, but nothing more. On the contrary, the cordless stick vacuum cleaner is a high-level one with a high price. It shows we can achieve results close to this without paying that much. So it seems contradictory, but here is why. The robot vacuum is only here to maintain the level of cleaning. The real cleaning will be done by the cordless stick vacuum cleaner. The main advantage of the robot for me is not its power, pathfinding ability or cleaning wipe, but only its presence. It's here. And because it's here, I have to organize and tidy the house and keep it that way. In the end, cleaning in less than 10 minutes, I could achieve it with only the cordless stick vacuum cleaner. Because it's here, I can grab it easily, it's on battery, it's powerful, I can clean all the house very quickly. Before I bought it, I did a lot of research. I'll try to make another video on this. The robot is like the washing machine. You still need to spend time on some actions to clean, dry and iron the clothes, but it frees up time to do something else. Do not hesitate to share your tips in the comments. I have tried to keep it simple and quick in this video. Thanks and see you soon.